Balu Forge, a small cap forging company which was listed just few months back in April, has already given 187% return in just 150 days. So, do you believe that? Well, why Balu Forge is so special and what makes it different from other forging companies like Bharat Forge, Happy Forging, and there are many other forging companies. But why Balu Forge is special, I am going to discuss in this video. And if it has already given 187%, is there any potential left for investors who have not taken part in this rally? We are going to find out in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. But please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video at all. Please view this video just as an opinion and additional knowledge and educational video, nothing more than that, right? So with that said, let's get started. Alright, so hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the official website of Balu Forge and I'm going to quickly show you the areas of application for this company. So you can already read this: oil and gas, agriculture, car manufacturers, earth moving equipments, industrial vehicles, railway, gensets, defense, e-mobility, off-road and on-road, compressors, refrigeration, pump, oil and gas, and that we already read. So we can see it is very much diversified. Okay, it has applications in various industries. Okay, now I will share this link in the description section of its official website. Please go through it, you will get to know more about it. Okay, now let me go to the screener page and first of all open the same key points section, and here we are going to find the same thing. Okay, you can see agriculture contributes to 55% of revenue, power generation, heavy engineering, defense, oil and gas, industrial machinery, heavy trucks. So diversified business portfolio it has. That is why it is so special than other forging companies. Okay, now let us take a look at the basic numbers of this company and see if they are correct or not and should be considered for investment or not. So the current price of Balu Forge is 816 with a market cap of 8,570 crores. Reserves it has is 427 crores. Debt is 48.79, very small. That's a debt to equity ratio is fantastic at 0.09. 3 years average sales growth 57.94, average profit growth 130, and average earning per share growth 101. Excellent numbers. Interest coverage ratio 11.76, current ratio 3.69, operating profit margin 22.55, industry P is 33.89, and stock P is 77.21. Well, now seeing the stock P higher than the industry P, you should not panic, because as the stock is in demand, that's why people are willing to pay more for the stock. Okay, and earlier, just few weeks back, it was, this number was very less. Okay, when the stock price was around 450 to 500. Okay, and now let us see if the stock has been growing year on year or not. So we'll take the data of last 3 years. Okay, so we can see this growth in sales 327 to 560, then 623. Operating profit 50 to 119, then 140. Operating profit margin 15, 21, 23. Very good numbers we are getting to see in sales, operating profit and operating profit margin, and same with earning per share 4.67, 9.13, 10.89. Clear sign of growth in terms of profit and loss statement. Okay, now if we go to the shareholding pattern, what we are going to see. So we can see a few important numbers here. Let us compare the last 2 quarters of data. Okay, so we can see the promoter have slightly reduced their stake from 56.07 to 54.71. So it is around 1.3% drop. But on the same at the same time, we are getting to see FIs have increased their stake by more than 2%, around 2.5%, 2.4 to 2.5%. You can see 8.51% to 10.94%. Clear sign of increase in stake by FIs. DIs 1.43 to 0.93%, again 0.5% drop. So overall, I would say the shareholding pattern is quite promising. It is stable, no issues at all. So overall, the fundamentals of Balu Forge Industries is looking quite strong, and I am really happy with it. And definitely it is a small mid cap company as of now. It was small cap just few weeks back, because the current market cap is around 8,000 crores. So officially it is a mid cap company. Okay, and it has a lot of future prospect. It has a lot of business to do and lot of growth to come up in the coming days, and definitely we should see share price appreciation in future if things continue like this. Now we have to look at the price action to see if this is the right time to make an entry or not, because we have already discussed it has given 187% in 150 days. Is there still any hope? Let's see. Okay, so I am opening the chart of Balu Forge, and this is in daily time frame, and you can see it was listed here on 29th April 2024. If I measure from that closing point to the high point, it is 206%. In fact, if you measure from the high point, it will be 187%. So around 200% return it has given in 150 days. But what is the scenario right now? We can see that the stock is actually facing some resistance at this level. Why is that? Sorry, let me draw a clear line here so that it will be easy to show you. Okay, so we can see the stock getting facing resistance. Here you can see that it was pushed down. Again you can see one big green candle, again it was sharply pushed out, and here we can see back to back red candles with big wicks on the upside. So it is hinting that the stock could go down again. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are just going to draw one red resistance area for this stock Balu Forge, so that it will mark the resistance level that it is facing right now. Okay, I can little bit stretch it up to this level and then give it red color. Okay, so this is the resistance it is facing right now. So should you make an entry right now? Definitely not, because it has, the resistance has rejected the stock price at this level multiple times, and we do not know if it will come down to 720 or it could go down to even a lower level. We do not know that, and in order to find that information, what other tools we can use? You can use the 50 EMA. So 50 EMA is currently far below the current trading price. It is at 655, as you can see. So if the stocks keep going like this, then it could meet at somewhere around 670 or maybe around 700. That is one possibility. So let us use the super trend once and see what information it has. So super trend is telling that it is this is the resistance level 710 around. So what we can do is we can wait for the stock to come to this level. Okay, I would say 680 to 710, this level it should come, and if it faces if it gets some good support at this level, okay, and the 50 days EMA provides it support nicely and then gives a break above this level 900 level, then only we should consider entering in the stock. I know you must be thinking that 700 is one level and then we have 900, we will have to pay a premium of around 16-17%, but that is what we have to do. Or else if you want to make little bit of an early entry, what you can do is you can just mark this level like this. Okay, I will mark this level, then switch to 1 hour time frame. Okay, and as soon as the stock comes here around 700 level, and then it's you can you start seeing some big green candles in 1 hour time frame, then you can start adding some units. Okay, around this 740-730 level you can start adding some units. Okay, around 700, and then wait. You do not have to dump all the money at this place. Then you have to see if it is giving a pattern like this. It is touching this resistance level, then coming down, but not much, staying above 800 level, then starting to go up again. At that point you can invest more. And one thing that is consistently in favor of the stock, that is the good fundamentals. I would say the good fundamentals are its strong points, and if the stock we are getting the stock at little bit of discount, okay, a bit of an early entry, there is no harm, but you should not dump all the money at that point, because let's say the market is unstable and the market is going to give a correction of Nifty is going to give a correction around 10%, then definitely this stock will also take a hit. So why would you want to stay in negative for such a long time? So don't do that. You can take early entry, but with limited quantities of the stock. That's it. Okay, but reminding you again, this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do your own analysis before investing in any stock. Okay, so that is all about Balu Forge. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts. And don't forget to check my other videos in my other channel, Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section below. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.